as I see it. I'll say that. This
Okay.
is 12th Night
That's
as I see it. So 12th Night is about this shipwreck that happens early on in the show, and these two wonderful, magnetic, charming twins are separated because of this shipwreck. So you have the lead, Viola, looking for her twin brother. Well, not so much looking. This is the issue I have with the play, because she ain't looking.
He's going in. Go in, boo.
Right. So this twin, Viola, looks for her twin for probably 3 lines, and then figures out that there's a guy named Orsino, who she's like, oh, I can get up under him. So she proceeds to get up under him by pretending to be a dude. So in pretending to be a dude, she ends up serving this guy, and then Orsino meets her, and he's like, oh my God, I'm in love with this girl. But this girl brother died, and she all sad, and she only dresses in black because she emo. Please help her. So then Viola goes over and says, hey, this guy loves you. But the lady, Olivia. Oh my God, I'm in the show. How do I have a brain fart? I've been forgetting so much today, by the way. But Olivia, Viola meets up with Olivia, and she's like, hey, Viola, masked as a man, meets up with Olivia and says, hey, Orsino likes you, girl. You need to get over there. And she's like, I don't like him. I'm not taking up anybody because my brother did. So then Viola goes, okay, fine, whatever. But then it turns out Olivia ends up having feelings for Viola. Hello, ring, ring. What is it? It's the present. So what happens is Olivia does all these things to try and get Viola to like her.
His dress is a boy named Cesario.
No, oh shit!
That's why I was trying to highlight. That's why I'm suffering on my
Okay, we need a trivia question.
Well, hopefully they didn't hear it.
Right here.
Well, Viola's dressed as a boy, and Olivia falls in love with him. And the Duke is the object of Viola, girl-boy's love, and it's just all very, very confusing for them.
And then all hell breaks loose because of this confusion. And then what happens is Sebastian, the twin of Viola, who's very dedicated and actually cares to find his sister and figure out what's going on, actually finds her, who again is not looking for him. Can we put that out there? He's not looking for him.
Yes, but you are looking for him, Antonio.
Ooh!
Well.
Drama. So, of course, my character Antonio is nursing Sebastian. We don't know what nursing entails, but he's nursing Sebastian to health, and Sebastian goes, okay. So, you guys, the picture. It's raw.
I know exactly what was going on.
Do you know exactly what's going on? So, Sebastian, oh my God, it's turning We'll get to that. See, the story's complicated. But Antonio has to nurse him. Sebastian's like, okay, that's enough nursing. I need to go find my sister. So Antonio's like, let me come along with you. And then Sebastian's like, no. But Antonio goes anyway, of course, because he really wants to nurse this guy back to health. You know, he really wants to take care of him. So Sebastian really ends up finding his sister, and then they live happily ever after. Now, there's a lot of details left out, because I don't want to give everything
Falls
away.
in love with Sebastian.
Oh my God, that's a very
Chocolate man.
Okay. So we have an issue.
What's the issue? Because when I saw 12th Night, I was under the deep assumption
Thank you.
that you, my sir, were having conflicting thoughts in your character.
So when all of you come to see 12th Night, you can answer this for yourself. But there's a big drama, a big conflict of if Antonio is gay.
He's gay.
If there's a question about it, it's probably.
And JJ strongly believes that he's gay.
I too strongly believe that you should be cross-guarded.
Now the director, Carmen, who I think is brilliant, believes that he's not gay. She thinks it's brotherly love. And this is what I think is really important. It could be either way, because I think the whole storyline and the arc of Antonio, it's all about discovery. And we all, be straight, gay, bi, or anything else you want to add to the list, everyone has that moment of discovery and figuring out what you are. And I think that's the important part. So we can debate it all day long, because I have my thoughts too, but
At the end of the play, and the end of the day, Mariah hands Antonio the gay rainbow umbrella.
Whoop whoop.
It's just not like he's happy. It's not like he's happy under the umbrella. He's holding the umbrella, looking like
I know, you look like Charlie Brown.
Debbie Downer.
Now, how do you feel since you do play this character and you've been living in it for a while? How do you feel as the character where he stands in his discovery, if you will?
And I like to pull a lot of information from the text.
Mm-hmm.
And what the text tells me is that he is very much gay. I fully,
He loves
with
him.
my whole heart, believe that he is gay. I don't think he understands fully that he is gay.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why discovery is so important. Like, I know he has all these strong feelings towards him, but I don't think he understands how deep those feelings run. Like, for me, I like to think that he is gay, but he hasn't had a chance to act on it yet. So there's no official stamp yet. Like, for all we know, 2 days later, if they do something, he may turn around and be like, "Oh, you gotta go. I don't like this." You don't know, but I think he does have those feelings in it.
But it's really, to me, all about love is love, man. It's so love is love. They all fall in love with each other. As my housemate says, all the wrong people fall in love with the people they think they are, but they're not.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just a matter of love being love.
Mm-hmm. Do you think that was the same theme in when I'll bring back last year when we cast a female Hamlet?
Definitely. Because we had a very boyish, androgynous person playing our Hamlet, but she was definitely a girl, a woman, a young woman. And we had high schoolers there, and we had no idea how they would react. And when Ophelia and Hamlet kissed, those high schoolers were so rapt, there was not a titter or a twitter in the house. They just were following the story of the love between them.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about the love.
Yeah, it was a really good
It was
production.
very good.
Yeah.
I saw
Oh yeah.
That's my girl.
It was really awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So switch seats with JJ there.
Yeah,